So guys, welcome back. We have seen in last couple of months a lots of leaks from the Xiaomi and lots of rumors, but finally Xiaomi launched their Black Shark 3 series with two phones, Black Shark 3 and 3 Pro, with a 90Hz super display. The Xiaomi sub-brand Black Shark has just released its new gaming smartphone with a tons of a cool gaming centric feature. The phone are intended for a China first and will later become available to the global market. As per the company's strategies of the past, the Black Shark 3 Pro, we can talking about this one smartphone. First of all, the Black Shark 3 Pro, the Pro version offer a couple of extra feature on top of the non-Pro version and also has a bigger screen. The Black Shark 3 Pro is built around massive 7.1-inch QHD plus OLED panel running at 90Hz super amazing display. It also boosts that world fastest 270 touch sampling rate as well. And also this phone has a latest Snapdragon Qualcomm 865 chipset to drive all those pixels, and it's needless to say that the phone support 5G connectivity as well, Wi-Fi 6 support also on the spec sheet. The phone can be coupled with either 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM, but only the 12 gigabytes version come with the latest DDR5 memory. The 8 gigabytes settle for the DDR4X. Storage wise, there is only one version and it's 256 gigabytes. The handset come with a 64 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, a 13 megapixel ultra wide unit and a 5 megapixel deep sensor. The selfie camera has 20 megapixel sensor, and now the best part, the Black Shark 3 Pro come with a massive 5000 mAh battery and support blazing fast 65-watt super fast charging. Xiaomi say it can go from flat 0 to 100% in just 38 minutes, and if you are in the middle of the game and need a refuel, you can snap a magnetic charger on the back of the phone. That does not go quite as fast, but 18-watt will do just fine during game session. After all, you won't have to deal with the tangling cables sticking out from the USB-C port. Another advantage of the Pro model is that the new pop-up triggers, the touch sensitivity air trigger from the previous version of the phone, are replaced with a physical pop-up button, and Black Shark promise it they can at least 300,000 pressure without any issue. Now moving to up, our non-Pro Black Shark 3 has a smaller 6.67-inch screen and lower FHD plus resolution, lack of the pop-up triggers, and offer smaller 4720 mAh battery. Another difference is the storage variant, 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. These three variants available in these non-Pro Black Shark 3. The rest is a pretty much the same specs. In fact, from a design standpoint, both phones are identical. Metal and glass have been used for the build. There are no holes or cutout on the display on the front, and an improved sandwich-like cooling solution has been implemented with double the heat pipes compared to the previous generation. It's also cool that unlike the Black Shark 2 and the 2 Pro, the 3 and the 3 Pro have a 3.5mm audio jacks as well. The vanilla model come in a 3 color, lighting black, armor gray and star silver, while the Pro is offered only 2 color, Phantom Black and the Armor Grey. The Black Shark 3 will go on sale from a March 6 starting as the Chinese yuan 3,499, equal the $500 for the 8 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage model, while the Black Shark 3 Pro price will be starting Chinese yuan 4,699 yuan, equal the $675 for the base 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage configuration, and it will be made available from the March 17. So this is the amazing smartphone come from the Black Shark. The Black Shark 3 and the 3 Pro is a professional gaming devices. Let me know your thought in the comment section, and also like this video, subscribe for more tech videos, enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.